The growth picture for the remainder of this year and in most of next year is very good. I mean, we have a lot of fiscal stimulus coming into the economy. That's deficit finance, tax cuts, deficit finance, increases in government spending. That's a lot of juice. So growth will be very strong. Unemployment will decline. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if the unemployment rate's closer to 3% by the end of the decade. Now, there's a different story on the other side of the stimulus, but for the next 12, 18 months, everything looks pretty good.
And with that backdrop, yet the Fed maybe is starting to sound as if it doesn't feel as if it's going to be reflexively more aggressive if the unemployment rate keeps going down. So what does that mean? Does it mean the economy has the potential for overheating? Are there excesses and distortions building up, or is it just going to be kind of pretty good on cruise control?
Yeah, I think the economy has a good chance of overheating. I mean, the Fed's script is 2 more rate hikes this year, 4 rate hikes next year. You know, that's reasonable, but my sense is that that's probably not going to be enough. I mean, if you have a 3% unemployment rate, the odds that the economy is going to overheat are pretty high. And also, it's in these kinds of times, I call this a boom period. I mean, things are going universally in the right direction. This is when people start making mistakes, when problems develop in the financial system. So, you know, I think the odds of something going wrong in this period are growing.
What would, I guess, get you most of your attention in terms of what might go wrong? Do you think it's about bad trade deals or bad trade policies that could interrupt the happy story, or is it financial markets that might start getting a bit reckless?
It could be trade. You know, my sense is probably not. I mean, my guess is the president will pull back on his trade war if it looks like it's doing any damage to the stock market or to the broader economy. You know, just as long as the stock market is close to record highs, the economy is strong, he's going to keep pushing and pushing. But as soon as things start to go off the rails, I think he'll figure out a way to go on to something else and de-escalate the trade war. No, it's in the financial system. You know, if I had to put my finger on something, you know, there's this old banking adage: if it's growing like a weed, it's probably a weed. And if that's, you know, if you look across the financial system, the thing that's growing like a weed is leverage lending, lending to businesses that are highly levered already, low ratings. A lot of leverage debt growth is accumulating in that part of the economy. So if I had to put my finger on something that could be a problem down the road, that would be it.